This is the vessel Success. She's a 1989 Bertram 50. This boat was originally built down in Miami. She's outfitted by Rybovich. They built the tower. And you've got full controls up on top. Rybovich also installed a pair of bait systems. You've got one on the starboard side of the entryway, another one dead ahead. There are a pair of tuna tubes back there, a pomponette fighting chair. There's a freezer in the cockpit, rod holders for 21 rods. The tuna tubes can be moved around. It's a portable system. This was the first 50-foot Bertram to have a dinette installed. The galley features 2 refrigerators with a U-line drawer system, as well as an ice maker on the front side. The leather sofa was custom made, has a large storage drawer underneath. There are 3 refrigerators on the boat. The one that just closed, the 2-drawer U-line system, and then a 3rd fridge up on the flybridge. There's a large freezer down below and an ice maker on the other side of these cabinets. All the counters were replaced throughout the boat recently, and then the microwave is typically hidden behind that sliding door. The entertainment system was upgraded recently with a high-definition Sony flat-screen TV. There's a Pioneer 12-volt stereo, as well as the Bose 321 DVD player system. And it has a C-Tel antenna for the satellite television reception. As we go down below, we've got a 3-stateroom layout. To starboard, we've got the bunk beds and a large freezer inside this locker. Supports the VIP, private entrance into their head, new vacuum flush toilets, side-by-side bunks with a lot of storage. As we go up front, we've got the owner's cabin, an island bed, and a large private head. Up on the flybridge, the electronics include a Furuno FCV 292 dual frequency color video sounder, the Furuno searchlight sonar, a Garmin 2010 color GPS, and the Furuno radar. The autopilot is a Simrad AP22. Here we have the controls up in the tower. You get a tremendous view from up here. Up forward we can see the tender. There's a 25 horse outboard down below. And we got a little wind here in San Diego today. But as you can see down below, you get a great view of the action back in the cockpit. We've got a pair of 735 horsepower 8V92 Detroit diesels. These engines were rebuilt about 235 hours ago. There's quite a bit of storage on the boat, a lot of spare parts. Just in front of the toolbox you can see the Furuno transducer for the searchlight sonar. There are a pair of generators, and they're located underneath the cockpit.